I'm sorry, but it is lashing. My neighbors, they have a trampoline. My mom says it ruins the grass. So yeah, look at the rain. Okay, so as soon as I go to film it stops. It's so stormy out. Like, it's so windy. Like, in my room, look. Okay, so under here, I put a piece of cardboard on it so it won't make as much noise. But there's like a fireplace. So it's so, what did I do? There. But it's so like noisy in the middle of the night. And then I have medals. I have like little medals on my door, and they are always like jangling around, and it's just annoying. So yeah, bye-bye. What? So do you like my jumper? Or not jumper. But do you like my shirt? I got it in Pennies. It's Harry Potter. It's Harry Potter's number. I don't know what it's called. He's a seeker. It has the snitch on it. I saw this. I was meant to actually just be getting school tights. We weren't actually allowed to be getting anything else, but I made my mom get it for me. I'm paying her back though. I don't know. I'm not sure how much it was. Yeah, but she got me some nice things. Yeah. Bye. Also, do you like my jacket? I've showed this before. Yeah. Bye-bye.